Demo time. Kyle's gonna try out the Bonafide SS 127.
Yeah, I'm gonna pack it. Stuff I need to do. Just stand by moving out. We're standing in it. I wonder what you've done in the other boat.
No.
Yeah, I think if you put a little bit of weight in the back of it, you will.
Alright, still out here at Raccoon Creek hanging out for the day. Matt Davis is going to give us a little info on his favorite kayak, the Flint.
How we doing?
Strip Mines kayak.
How we doing today? This is the 2019 model Flint from New Canoe. It is fully outfitted and ready to do whatever you want it to do. You've got pivot drive ready mounts for your steering handle. And on this boat we've got a few added accessories. We've got the New Canoe console, complete with the hog trough holder. We've got a Yak Attack cup holder, because let's face it, you always got to have something to drink while you're out on the water, preferably water or tea. We've got the side tracks that are made by Yak Gadget that are absolutely fantastic. Great for mounting your electronics and for anything else you want to have mounted quick. It's ready for your hands to use. Of course, we have the brand new Fusion seat with the new Fusion seat base, which is an upgrade from previous models because you have space to put things underneath your seat. And of course, we have the Yak Gadget stop stick. This is a rope activated stick anchor as well as a drag chain anchor. And this is a fantastic accessory that I'm going to be putting on my boat this year.
Sweet. Dustin back there making all kinds of racket. No worries, just hanging out back here. Thanks, Matt. Check out what we got going on over here. English got his new Canoe Frontier 12 rigged up. Raccoon Creek Outfitters. New rod holder. The new sweet gear track add-ons that they have. He's got the Switchblade, Garmin Striker 7, phone holder, low pro crate, and a heck of a battery box that he made with 10 amp Dakota lithium. Got his power for his unit ran over here on this side. Pretty sweet rig.